Sometimes you just get so used to your look that you don't really realize just how much you've changed. You let me know very candidly and honestly the options that were available to me. I kind of look a little older than I really feel, and I'd like to change that. You guys showed just the utmost professionalism as far as making me comfortable and answering questions that I may have and just putting me at ease that everything was going to be okay. I was in good hands. I want my hairline to be appropriate for my age. So here's an opportunity for me to recreate a little bit of my past to bring it into my future, and that's what I'm hoping is going to happen today. I feel pretty amazing, to tell you the truth. I mean, it's been a total transformation for me. Where did that come from? Because the few strands I had were just kind of going any direction they felt like it, and it's just like, look at this. How did this happen? Didn't Robert Downey Jr. When he was standing at the podium, he finally says, you know, I am Iron Man? Well, I am Hair Man.